How to remove professional account on Instagram. And first things first, if you already set it up a professional account on Instagram, you won't be able to delete or even remove it. So here's an alternative way of disabling or removing your professional account. So open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So this box right here that says professional dashboard is an indicator that you're currently set your professional account into. So to switch that into your personal account, head over to these three lines in the top right portion of your screen. And then here, scroll down a bit and then head over to Creator Tools and Controls under for Professionals. Now scroll all the way down till you find Switch Account Type. Tap on that, and this is where you can switch from professional into personal account. Just have to tap on switch to personal account again for you to be able to disable your professional account. So that's how you remove professional account on Instagram.